Hey guys, it's Kubi again with another video, and this time, well, I've got another unboxing. It's going to be a little bit of unboxing stuff because, well, as of now, I can't really do anything else. I'm just getting stuff, and that is pretty much it. But I do want to show you guys something which I really got, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is the Black Eye mechanical keyboard from CosmicBytes. I'm not really sure if you're very familiar with keyboards. Well, keyboards, right? What is it about keyboards? But there are mechanical keyboards and stuff, and this is actually the first mechanical keyboard I have actually bought for myself, so stay tuned for that. So guys, the mechanical keyboard from CosmicBytes. Now, CosmicBytes, it's more of a peripheral company, which is on the more affordable side of things. There, of course, are big players like Corsair, Logitech, but these are frankly quite a bit more expensive. Probably are more like premium brands available. But I wanted to try a mechanical keyboard before I actually splurge into something which is more premium. Now, I actually did the same thing when I was choosing a mouse. I got into the smaller players first, and then I just splurged out for a Logitech. Right now I'm using a 502. But anyways, let's get to the keyboard. First of all, the packaging, well, it looks pretty premium. It has USB input. Of course, it is USB. No new keyboard has PS2 input anymore. RGB, which is perky RGB, which I have been told. Customization, all key anti-ghosting. It also has enclave rollover. Everything is there. Braided cable, which is interesting. Now, apart from that, it has a tactile and a reactive switches. Compact design. I'm not really sure if it is not an N keyless or 10 keyless keyboard, but I don't know what compact design means on these people, but anyways, it's available. Metal upper, it is told that it is a aluminum upper chassis. RGB LED, mechanical keys, and it is brown. Now, I'm pretty sure these are not cherry browns, but I have been told that these are quiet but still tactile, so kind of like similar to cherry browns. I have actually used cherry brown, so I'll be curious to see how this one stacks against it. So on the other side, Black Eye mechanical keyboard. Oh god, no. Switch to God mode. Okay, that's cringe if it's not anything else, but anyways, it's fine. In the feature section, full-size mechanical keyboard with 104K layout and braided cable. Key life, okay, 50 million operations for each key, which is nice. Injection molded double shot keycap, which is really important. Many of the keyboards with RGB LEDs, the letters seem to, peel off. That is really nice. Double shot keycaps are basically the best ones which you can get. Large ergonomic armrest designed to improve comfort. Yes, one of the big selling points for me is the big armrest, because there are a lot of cheap keyboards. Well, I shouldn't say cheap. Mechanical keyboards are always a little bit more expensive than membrane, but about an armrest, because I am actually planning on redoing my complete office setup, so this is actually for that, which I'll not talk about more. Anti-ghosting for all keys, Windows lock key, real RGB backlit, 13 backlit effect, 3 level of brightness, 4 level backlit speed adjustment, which is cool, I guess. Brown Outemu switches. Okay, so that is really cool. Outemu switches with silent operation provides tactile feel, sensitivity, and responsiveness. So these are Outemu switches. I have actually heard of Outemu switches, so it's definitely not a completely proprietary thing. So that's cool. 8 multimedia keys, which is nice. Wide compatibility with everything else. Now, specification: color is black. Weight is about 1 kilo. Wow, goddamn. Okay. Backlit LED, RGB, working voltage. All this shit is available if you really want to know. Now, some more information about the product. The one which I'm using is the brown one. There is also a blue version available, which is nice. Name and address of manufacturer, I don't really care, but yeah, that is available. Now let's just open it because I've stalled it long enough. So I don't have my knife with me. I'm using a makeshift knife from my watch. It's a survival watch, so of course it has a small knife in there. So I'm sorry about the audio quality if you are hearing like, I don't know, robot voice or something, because I don't have my microphone hooked up. I don't really have my microphone right now because a cousin of mine is using it. Yes, I feel it. So you get a user manual, which is the smallest piece I've seen. So it has warranty specifications and all that shit. Warranty is 1 year, which is nice. Multimedia function key. So yeah, you don't want to chuck away the warranty card or the function stuff right away, because it does have useful information, which I'll get into later. Okay, so this is the armrest. Armrest is pretty much not padded, which is fine. I can actually put my own padding, which is nice enough. Yeah, it is a plastic armrest, but it feels like it's thick enough to stand a little bit of abuse. Let's keep that aside. And then we have the keyboard itself. And yes, the keyboard, it's pretty heavy. That is one thing I have actually used very little keyboards in my entire life. When I had a desktop PC, I've been going through keyboards like normal, I don't know, 200 rupee keyboards, they're not very good. So right now, having a premium-ish keyboard is something which I'm just looking forward to. Packing is actually not bad at all. So shipping, I don't think there is any damage, but we'll see anyways. Ooh, so there you have it. That is the keyboard itself. It actually does feel, goddamn, it's the flex. There is a little bit of flex, which is kind of normal, so I'm okay with that though. It's not a problem. It does have a seat, so it can go on this level. I'll try and show you guys the RGB also. The cable is braided, of course, but it does not have any pass-throughs. I would have liked to have something with pass-through, but hey, it's at this price point. Yeah, about the price point also. It's not a very expensive keyboard either. It's probably one of the cheaper ones you can get for the price, so I'm actually pretty happy with that. The armrest actually attaches somewhere here. Let's just attach it and see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, this is the entirety of how it looks, and it's okay. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's not bad at all. The keys themselves, that's the real test, because okay, it's not bad. It's definitely not same as browns. I think it's a little bit more louder than cherry browns, because I've actually used cherry browns blues. Actuation Force is okay. It's okay. It does have a, yeah, it has a pretty good actuation force. Nothing seems to be wobbling, which is a big concern for me. Cheaper keyboards, when pressing one key, will wobble the other key. This one seems to be pretty nice. Yeah, I'm not the perfect typist. I do use my index fingers more. So for me, it actually works really well. Yeah, full-size backspace key, spacebar is good. It has, yes, it does have two supports, which is nice, because I have seen keyboards with mechanical keys with only the center key as a support. So this one is really nice. Yep. Everything seems to be pretty nice. It also comes with the keycap puller, so I'm just going to, open or show you one of them so that I can just see what it looks like. So yes, it actually uses, I think it actually uses the stock, cherry stock. So maybe you can even get like a aftermarket keycap for it. Maybe, I'm not really sure. I haven't never used an aftermarket keycap, so I don't really know. So this is W. Yeah, I mean this is another thing which I really like about these keyboards, is that gaming keyboards in general, because you have two keys like W, arrow up and everything, and also you can replace these in case you need it, which is interesting to say the least. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Let me just try and show you the RGB, because that is a big point. God damn. It's a long cable and I like it. Okay, so it's pretty light as of now. Okay, oh wow, okay, it also has this blue strip, which I'm probably going to, I don't know, I'm probably going to just tape over it. So we have that. Let's see, function and brightness. Yeah, okay, brightness, this is the maximum brightness which is available. Okay, I should turn off the other light also, so that you can probably see better. Yes! So that is the RGB key on its own. Yeah, this is the red one as of now. Brightness low setting, 1, 2, 3 brightness settings, which is understandable. We have this, color change, color change, color change, color change, color change. White, which is nice, actually bluish white, red again. So all of these colors, I want to know per key. That is the main thing which I am actually looking forward to. I don't know what G is. God damn, something's happened. Ah! Yes, it is per key. Yes! Oh my god, okay, it's connected to my laptop right now, so it's giving me something. It's actually kind of like nice. Oh, okay, so nice. Yeah, it actually changes colors also, which is nice. I like this so much. Okay, next one. Oh, no. Oh, okay. So that was like a macro switch to check. Okay, I understand that now. That is nice actually. Okay, I can select it again and change it. Oh, okay, that's nice. That is definitely nicer. How do I go away from this? God damn, there's so many things. Oh, I have volume controls also, which is separate, which is amazing. Okay, that is really cool actually. I really wanted volume keys because I was actually looking for... Okay, these are not buttons. God damn, I have no idea what is happening. Which I need to find out what it is about. These are volume keys and I'm really happy about that. There's a mute key and then there is like what? What is this? This is a calculator key. Oh my god. Okay, I have a calculator key also, which is properly amazing. Okay, so I'm going to turn on the lights now and probably give you guys more information on the lights of it if you really want to know, because I'm really excited. It has a lot of features which I really liked. Where is the damn manual? Yeah, there is the manual of it and I really do want to see the light functionality. Oh god, no. Game specific, backlighting effects, yes. Function plus scroll can switch between 13 backlight modes. Where is scroll? What is scroll? Scroll lock? Oh. Okay. I was too quick. Judge on that shit. God damn it. So yeah, function per scroll lock. Okay, now I have keys, which is working, which is nice. Yes, it has a fade effect. Oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, now this is what? Okay, this is the opposite of the fade effect, which is... God damn, this is so cool. This is awesome. I like this at all. I like this a lot. Oh, okay, breathing. Kind of breathing. RGB breathing. Ooh! Yay! Okay, it has a lot of features and it's pretty cool. I don't think I can do like, software kind of a thing. God damn. Ooh. Are you seeing this shit? Which is amazing. Oh my god. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Oh my god, it's already 14 minutes. Okay, if you need more in-depth video on what this can do, let me know. I will try and make a video if you really want to see what all stuff it has, because it has a lot of stuff actually and I'm really happy with that. White. I like white. And there you have it guys. That is the black eye mechanical keyboard switch from CosmicBytes, which for the time being it feels like an amazing value and it has a lot of stuff which I'm really happy with. So that is pretty much it about the keyboard itself. If you have any questions, do let me know. I'll try and help you guys out. I'll provide a link in the description if you want to buy this thing, which is actually not very expensive either. So I'm really happy with that. So yeah, I guess how much is it about the video then. Hope you guys liked the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.